enough of these Amuiseke people. Yes, it's only a fool that steps on feces, feels it and tastes it. It's high time we ban our children from marrying from them. Yes, we have to ban them. Because each time they marry from them, they either end up dead or completely useless. Yes. Hi.
It has not gotten to that. Let us face the issue at hand.
Forget that your proverb. Forget it. Forget it. All I am saying is that Angelina should come and answer for her crimes. She should come and pay for what she has done. She must face the consequences.
I quite understand you, Ichie Mbakwe. I'm actually on your side.
Why wouldn't I take it personal? Tell me why I shouldn't take it personal. Have you forgotten so soon that the same people killed my only brother? My only brother, they killed him. And I'm going to say a woman killed my only brother. Killed my only brother and we did nothing about it. What was the consequence? Misfortune befalling us and our children. Look, we cannot allow murderers to go scot-free. She must pay. Yes. She has to pay.
Mbakwe. Eke. Angelina is still pleading innocence. But let me also ask, are we going to make her to face the consequences of taking another person's life when we have no proof of her being guilty? Something keeps bothering me. How are we sure that our brother Obiako is dead? And if he is dead, where is the dead body?
What proof do you need? Tell me. What else do you need? Tell me how you will explain a situation where a woman keeps hearing the sound, the voice of her unseen husband. And this voice keeps tormenting her. Tell me. Umuna, is that not a sign of bad omen? Eh? Is it not? Let me tell you. Abuise people are cursed. They are cursed and there's nothing they can do about it. It's beyond them. So all I'm saying is that Angelina should come and pay for it. If not, if we don't do anything about it, this thing will boomerang on us and misfortune will befall us and all our kindred, our children. Yes. She has to pay.
You're dead. Everyone is worried sick about you and you're here. My goodness, it's you. What are you doing here? You almost killed me with panic. Let's go home. Everyone has to see that you're fine. Let's go home now. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Let's go.
Stop.
Everybody wants to see you.
Hey.
What is going on here?
Enough of this young lady. I don't know who you are. Excuse me. Let's go.
No, wait! No!
Dr. Fred, have you got an idea if Mr. Prince has got any issues with anybody, business or otherwise, or probably have some issues with anybody recently?
None that I know of, officer.
How close are you to Mr. Prince?
Very close. Very close.
Very close.
Yes.
Your office was the last place he was seen before the disappearance.
Yes.
Now, tell us, what was your discussions like before he left?
Officer, I hope you're not expecting me to discuss the privacy of a husband and wife with you. For crying out loud, I was the one that reported him missing at the police station. Why all these questions?
Oh, so sorry about that. We're only trying to make sure we left no stones unturned.
Then do that with some modicum of respect. I was actually on my way out when you guys stepped in.
I'll be taking you tomorrow to see a friend of mine.
Your friend?
Yes.
Who's this friend of yours on the way my parents is?
She knows you. She knows us. She knows about the emotional trauma you have been through lately. And she's willing to help. If only you will calm down and take all her instructions.
Young girl.
Yes.
Does she know where my prince is? Can she take me to where my prince is?
When we get there tomorrow, we'll find out.
No. Please. Let her take me to where my prince is. Let's go there now.
Now?
Let's go there now.
No,
Bianca.
it's late already. We can't go there by this time.
No, we have to go there now. She knows where my prince is. She has to take me there.
Listen, you have to calm down. I promised you that I will take you there. I will.
No. Let's go.
I promised I was going to take you there. I will.
No. Let's go. Let's go there now, Bianca, please. Let's go to where my prince is. I'm begging you, please. She knows where my prince is. This friend of yours knows. Let's go there now.
Tomorrow
No.
we'll do
No. Let's go there now.
Calm down. You need to calm down. Please.
Let's go there now.
Calm down. Okay, right.
Your friend knows.
You need to sleep. Sweetheart, you need to calm
I
down.
have sat down here listening to every single thing you have to say. But don't sit here and call my husband a ghost.
I never said so.
I am not your sweetheart. Tell her. He's not dead. He can't be dead. I felt him. The warmth. It was him. He's alive. Bianca, tell her.
Calm down. I never said so.
Can you tell her to stop asking me to calm down? Ask her to...
Please, calm down. Please.
You are the angel of my life. Right in your arms is where I find peace. I looked in your eyes, I see eternity. Under your bond is where I wanna be, forever and ever. Don't let go, don't let go. I love you, I love you, 'cause I won't let go, won't let go. Oh baby, I love you. You are the angel of my life. This love is a mystery. I'm under your spell, under your spell. Don't want out, don't want out. Love more. You are the angel of my life. You are the angel of my life. Oh, babe.
What's wrong with Angel? What was she thinking about? What must have led her into slitting her own hands?
I only took her to a psychotherapist to see if she could have a word with her because of her present behavior. There was a little misconception and she left the office. I followed her up immediately, only to find her in that condition at home.
Look, this is seriously turning to something else. Bianca, we've got to keep a close watch on Angel.
Honestly.
This threat is so much for her. This might end up affecting the condition of the baby in her womb if proper care is not taken.
God forbid.
Yes.
I'll take care of her closely. I will.
ma.
I'll see you tomorrow.
Take it easy, ma.
It's alright. I'm just worried about Angel.
What is it that you don't get? I'm telling you, there is something strange about this woman in Ward 4. Anita, I struggled with both hands, with enough strength, just to detach a mere picture from her hand twice. Her single hand. My dear, do you know that when I turned to face what I was doing, the next thing I saw, her hand slowly moving, and then she grabbed the pics. This is a woman that has been totally unconscious up till now.
That's her and her husband in the picture. Both used to come here, and I learned that her husband has been missing for some days now. I see a case of soul connection here.
What's that?
You see, listen. In as much as I read it in a book back in school those days, but it's still obvious that such has come to play in reality. She must be so connected to her husband, or probably fond of him. The picture serves to fill up the distance between them. You see, when you are so connected to someone, you feel the connection on an energetic level. No matter what you do, you can't eliminate the energetic ties that links the two of you on the cosmic plane. That's it.
I'm lost.
Read up, Missy, or rather ask for.
You better know who to and who not to trust. You better know who to and who not to trust. You better know who to and who not to trust. You better know who to and who not to trust.
What?
You better know who to and who not to trust.
What are you doing here?
You again?
And with her again? We're everywhere looking for you, and you are here. We're all dead worried, and you are here with her again.
Are you okay?
I am your wife. We've been married for 2 years. Since February 14th. This is our wedding picture. Look at it. That's you. And that is me.
What is the meaning of this?
Who are you?
Let's go.
Hey,
Stop it! Let him go.
Stop what?
You let him go. You. Listen. Stop. Let him go. Stop.
What is wrong?
No. Respect.
Take your boss. Take your business elsewhere.
No.
Stop!
Stop. Stop.
You need to stop what?
Let's go. Get away from him. Stop. Respect yourself.
Hey! What? Hey! Stop what? Stop what?
Going home.
Going to where? Which home?
Where is she? Where's Mrs. Angel?
I think she was here. I think, yeah.
I don't understand you. What?
Angel, you left the hospital.
I saw him again.
You saw who?
I saw Prince and that girl.
I saw him.
Where?
At Flames Fast Food. I saw him there. I saw him with my own eyes.
That cannot be possible, Angel. The only Flames Fast Food that you and I know of is the one in Abuja. So how come?
But I saw him there. Bianca, you're my best friend. If everybody thinks I'm crazy, you can't join them in thinking I'm crazy. I'm not crazy. I saw him with that girl.
You can't. Oh, of course, that's not possible. Just a few minutes ago, you were in the hospital right here in Asaba. So how can you be telling me that you saw your husband at Flames Fast Food in Abuja?
But I saw him. I saw him and that girl. It was the same girl.
Angel, you have to calm down. You really have to. You're losing it. Calm down.
So certain I saw him. He was with that girl.
What,
and the girl was
baby girl. Chelsea.
International.
Bye, dear.
When did you come back from Dubai? Just breathing this afternoon. Don't worry, I've got a nice house for you.
Oh,
that is the girl. That's her. That's the girl. She's the one I saw with him. You are it.
Who is she?
The girl. Don't take my husband away from me.
No.
Don't let that girl come close to me.
So calm down. You have to calm down.
That is the same woman I saw him with at Flames restaurant. Remember me? That is the girl I saw him with. She's the one. No.
Put yourself together. You see what I was talking about, Angel? Angel! Oh, you see what I was talking about, Angel?
What is going on here?
Angel! Angel!
Come on, go. Let's.
Fred, what's that?
Come on,
Fred, please come and help us lift that up, please. Please come. What do I even do? Come on.
It's okay.
Hey.
I only met her once. Sometime last year in Abuja. Do you remember the overprotective lady I told you about?
Yes.
The one I met with the husband at Friends Fast Food?
Yes.
She was the one.
Would you mind if I join you? Actually, he would. See this man there? He's taking. Fully taking. So run along now. Run along. Go sell your market elsewhere. Go on. So if you get and your geezer and go sell your market elsewhere. Go on.
Wow! Come on, girl. No one is taking your man away from you.
No. No one can take this man away from you.
So what if I say that I can take him away? Excuse me.
says that?
She was obviously joking.
Come on, eat your food.
Seriously, I was only kidding. I never record such ever happened till I met her today. Oh God. That was all a joke.
Phil, please. Does this have any connection to what Angel is passing through right now? Does it?
Somehow it does. We've handled similar cases. And I've taken time to study Angel's case right from the moment you started complaining about her before you brought her to me. This is a clear case of DRC. Dream, reality, confusion. A mental disorder where someone finds it difficult to differentiate between dream, reality, and imagination. Angel has created a world of fantasy on her own. A world where she imagines and assumes things. And when she wakes up from assumption and imagination, she combines it with her present state reality.
Please, can you just break this down to a layman's understanding, because I am lost here.
She's saying that she always sees me with her husband. How does this whole thing relate to me? Because
you all know that I've been far away in Dubai for a couple of weeks now. I don't get it.
That is a world of fantasy she created on her own. She already saw you as a threat, as someone who tried snatching her husband in the past. Because she never believed her husband could be gone so far away from her, she always imagines him around. But when he's not there in the world she created, you turn out to be the threat factor. When she wakes from the States and couldn't find him, she joins the dream to her present state to make up a reality for herself.
This is really bad. In other words, Angel has not been seeing her husband all this while like she claimed.
She probably has, but only in her imaginations. This is what happens when two people who are so connected to each other, body and soul, tends to be separated in a most unusual circumstance.
Honestly, I'm sure the words, if Chelsea here were to be a stranger, I would have gotten the police involved in this case. I must be frank with you. My hands are tied, sir, friends. Possibility of getting the police involved is very slim here. It's okay. I'm done, please. Angel, there's nothing wrong with you, please. Please. Angel, you just need to rest, okay? You'll be fine. It's okay.
no biko. Nataba, Dimo manataba no biko.
Any news from the city yet?
My sister, no news. But I don't need to wait for any news before I do what I have in my mind.
What does that mean?
Relax now. Just relax.
By the time I strike, just relax. I don't get power to talk. And that's it. I don't get. I don't.
Ilechi. Why are you tiptoeing like a thief who have come in the night to steal?
Amaka, what is it? What is it? Will I kill myself for you? And when has it become a crime for someone to come and talk to one sister? When?
Sister? Hey! Oh.
Like you don't know that Ike's mother and my mother are from the same Umuna. In the same village. Does that not make us relations?
No one is dragging sistership with you. So come and carry her and go and do the gossip that brought you here. We're discussing something very important before you sneaked in here like a thief.
You see? You see the reason why I want to bring my sister to a particular corner and discuss with her jejely. Because Almighty Amaka would always take everything that comes out of my mouth as a gossip.
Miss Jeje. Oh yeah? Jejely carry her and go and do your Jeje gossip.
My sister, come, Jare. Let me tell you important things.
I'll talk now.
See, I have useful information about the women of Amasiki. I heard that they use the blood of the men they kill to make their skin very fresh.
Hey! Ilechi, Ilencha. Mwanye emerige me. Hey! What do you gain from manufacturing all these lies to deceive people? Eh?
And who told you it's a lie? Who told you it's a lie?
Like mother, like daughter. Negonu, ginwaire.
Eh? What did you say?
You heard me right.
Amaka, did you just call my mother? Amaka, bupoya.
I don't even have your time.
Amaka, spit it out.
I don't have your time now. I was discussing something very
Amaka, spit your statement out.
Don't even talk.
Amaka,
don't. Okay.
Are we going to sit down here and fold our arms and not do anything about this issue? Are we? If the Umuna, they are not ready to do anything. Mama, we need to move. We need to take laws into our hands. Yes. We cannot just sit down here and leave the woman that is responsible for my brother's disappearance to just sit down in his mansion and eat his hard-earned money. Mama, it is not possible. We need to move.
Kedi Dobi, what are we going to do?
Mama, I think it's better we go to the city ourselves and make inquiries. Yes. I have also made investigations about the woman of Amisige. Mama, do not be surprised that that woman is hiding brother somewhere so that he will be yielding money for her. Or probably using his blood to replenish her skin.
Yeah! Popo! Your brother cannot be yielding money for anybody.
Okay.
He cannot be yielding money for the woman of Amiseke. It's not possible.
And then we need to move now.
say we should move, we'll move.
We need to move.
Obiako cannot be yielding money for anybody. One came cannot be yielding money for anybody. He cannot be yielding money for the woman of Ami Sieke. It's not possible. It's not possible. Obiako, Mama,
Mama, this is your schedule night. We need to move. We need to do something, Mama.
Obiake, Juju, Ponte, Juwaisi. Obiako. Hey.
No news from the police yet.
None at the moment.
You know, I was thinking, do you think it's wise leaving Angel all alone, considering her present condition? Especially now that she's been discharged from the hospital.
I honestly thought about it. And I'm considering seeing her later today at home so we can discuss it. Maybe she will start living with me for now until this whole thing is over. Honestly, I feel so much for... Excuse me. Hello, Angel. What?
What is it?
I'll call you back. Now. The mother-in-law is at home making trouble with her.
Oh, not again.
Do you know what was said about the kingdom of God about it? If you don't want me to kill you and bury you here right now and now, you better tell me what you have done to my brother. Tell me!
I don't know. Angelina, Biko. Angelina, Mama. Angelina, where is Obiako?
He left me at the hospital to go and get some things. Until now, I've not seen him.
You better bring my brother. You better bring my brother. Bring my brother.
Yeah, boy.
Mama.
You better go and bring Obiako. If you know where you're hiding him, bring him out. Please.
You don't want to talk, eh? You don't want to...
I don't know.
Mama, what's going on? Angel just got discharged from the hospital.
She doesn't need... Who cares? Who cares whether she is being discharged from the hospital or from the mortuary? Is she better than the life of my son?
Bianca!
What's going on here?
If you know where you're hiding my son, you better go and show us.
You better bring him out, too. You better bring him out. Leave me alone.
Is it because I'm keeping quiet? Angelina, go and
bring him.
Go and bring him.
Hey! You want to pick which call?
Let me pick my call. You pick Mulo.
Please.
Please ring him.
Bianca. Excuse me. Mama, please, I don't know.
Hello? What?
I don't know, Mama.
Where?
I don't know anything.
Oh my goodness. Oh no.
What is it?
What is it now? Talk.
Prince has been found.
Where? Bianca, where? Bianca, where?
His corpse still looks so fresh. You guys said he's been gone for more than a week now.
Yes, of course.
So?
Prince must have died in less than 24 hours before now. Nevertheless, an autopsy must be carried out to ascertain the cause of death.
This is so sad. So sad. All along, Angel kept saying it. Prince wasn't dead. She said that her husband wasn't dead. But he's in pain wherever he is.
She was right after all. Angel was right. Prince is gone.
I just pray Angel recovers from this whole shock. I just pray so.
Youths of Umwezika Umudara, anger is in your voices. What warranted this?
Mazikoko, we greet you.
We are actually on our way to your house. We are happy we met you here. We, the youth of this village, are in pain. We are very angry.
Yes.
Because Nezibon Wafata Pugo.
Yes.
Ami Seke have done it again. They have taken over all our lands as if that one is not enough. Now they have used their women now to perpetrate their evil act. They have killed our brother, Obiako, now a true son of this land. And we cannot fold our hand, allow this thing to happen again.
Never happen.
If it's something is not done this time around, we are going to take laws into our hands.
Yes. I have heard you, my children. And I feel your plight. I understand your plight. But I want to ask you one question. Who amongst you here can tell me it has a proof that Angelina actually killed the husband Obiako?
Yes.
Now you see proof. We have proofs. Aside the fact that this is not the first time a son of the soil dying mysteriously in the hands of second women.
Yes.
Secondly, we heard from a reliable source that the person she sent to kill her husband called her on phone and told her that they have dumped the husband's body where she asked them to dump him.
Yes.
That was how Obiako! Obiako! Afudimba! Afuagele give me a on your TV and that was how his body was discovered. Is it not enough proof? 9. We are not sounding disrespectful. We've been looking for you as the eldest of this kindred. Yes. To let you know that if nothing is done and done fast, we the youth we take the law in our hands.
It's okay. My children, I have heard you. You can now go. We'll take care of it. We will take care.
I said it here. But people that think they know it all will always take what I say for gossip. I said it that Annie Sike woman has hidden my brother's body somewhere, and she's using his blood to expand, prolong her lifespan.
Hey! Ilechi, Ilencha, cho. Mechon, will close this your mouth. Must you talk every now and then?
Amaka, what is it?
Okay, Kwano. It's like you don't know when to talk and when not to talk. I'm beginning to think that you're really not okay.
My sister, where are you going to?
Bufugoyan, you have seen, right?
Don't you put your hands in my eyes here. Don't put your hands in my eyes.
Ha! Every time you be talking, both the one you see and the one you do not see. What is it?
You have to talk. You have to talk.
Know what you are doing with your hand. If that your hand touch me, if it touches me, it's me and you in this house.
Anything you see, you talk about.
I've told you. I see your hand. You touch me. You hear me? Oh yeah, talk now. You see.
nataba. Dimo manataba no biko, nataba. Irapu metua mono nyebi, nataba. Nataka muoka lusielu gini, nataba. Biko ebobu nino, nataba. Nodolu muwelanso welije, nataba. Nataba no biko, biko nataba no nataba. 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 Nataba biko. Nataba.
Doctor, Mrs. Angel, she just left the ward now and has refused to go back.
What's the meaning of that?
Okay, wait, I'll call you back. No, we have a serious issue in the hospital. Very serious. Yeah, serious. I'll call you back, please. What's up? Has woman finally gone back to the work?
Yes, she has. Dr. Fred had to lead her back to the ward. He gave her some injections.
I thought she was proving stubborn.
My dear, you see, that woman has really suffered. Honestly, she has really suffered a lot, and I really pity her.
I pity her anyway.
I pity her a lot.
So, what are you guys doing about her? I'm coming. Let me just stop my boyfriend.
Oh, okay. Boy, don't go face your work, boyfriend.
She's obviously yet to get over her husband's death. The shock is still all over her.
Please, Mrs. Fio, what do you suggest we do? This is gradually developing into something else.
Her safety first. But since Dr. Fred is here, that area is assured. We'll keep an eye on her and watch things unfold. And I believe with time, she will get over that.
Honestly, I wish I woke up one day to realize that all these things were mere dreams. Angel has passed through a lot in a while. And I'm worried. The stress she's going through now is just too much for a pregnant woman.
Oh my God. Doctor, that's her voice. That's Angel's voice.
Naiko, I am in pain. My bones has been shrinked. My strength withered away. My enemy has taken away sleep from my eyes. Hi, Ufungbolongwa Mokem, my only son. I've tried so much to see if I could let go. To see if sleep will ever cross my eyes. But no. Each day that passes keep reminding me of my negligence of duty as a mother. Naikoku, I saw it coming. I saw it coming. I should have prevented my son's death. Yes, I should have. I should have been stubborn enough to drag my son out of the lion's den. But no, I kept quiet. I kept quiet, and the woman of Amaisieke took away my son from me. How? Obiako. 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 Hey!
It's okay.
Naikoku, I will not rest. I will not rest until the evil woman pays for her sins. Angelina, you will pay for your sins. Obiako. Alo melom. Alo melomono. Alo melmo. Naikoko, Angelina must pay for her sins. Naikoko, Angelina will not go free. Oh, Bulungwam. Oh, Bulungwamo. Oh, Bulungwamo, nyo chabelo wanoji. Oh, Bulungwamo makalesia. Oh, Bulungwamo yo mo. Angelina.
Under your spell is where I found me. Like you're living inside my head. Don't let go, don't let go. I love you, I love you. I won't let go, won't let go. Oh baby, I love you.
Right in your arms is where I find this. I looked in your eyes, I see eternity. Under your bond is where I wanna be. Forever and ever. Don't let go, don't let go.
Where'd he go? Prince? Prince? Ooh. Prince? 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 Prince?
Nataba, Timo Manataba. mawagobo akwejukomanya achangane no chagilana afurongana taba gangi bili gangi siebio eboboneno no la kwamnebe iyarapo metua kedi femmeme wanumo kwisini folomo na erine obogini neme agotarom biko nataba kani bili mokoma nataba no biko nataba Mama nataba no biko nataba irapu metua mono nyebi nataba
We couldn't find her anywhere. This is serious.
Nataba no biko nataba nataba nataba
See. What? Angel, you're supposed to... What?
Oh, stop. No. What? I'm going home with him. Who? Prince, he has to come back home.
No, Angel.
No!
Just stop.
Let go!
Angel, look at what you're doing.
No! Let him go! Hey, let him go!
Help me hold
no!
This thing now. What are you doing?
No!
Like I told you earlier before now, as an elder and the elders in this kindred, there are things I am not supposed to say. But I want to assure you, anywhere Angelina is, she is in safe hand. Pending the day of the burial of the husband, Obiako.
On the burial day? What happens on that day?
Her fate will be decided.